Hello guys, in this class, let's do chain rule, also what we call function of a function. That will practically become our what? Lesson 2. Now, let's say we have y, that's dy all over. What's the y over dx for chain rule? The y over dx is simply du all over dx times dy all over du. Du over dx times, so that if this du cancel this du, you are going to have the y over dx. That's what we call implicit function. So what's implicit function? The y over dx is equal to du over dx times the y over du. It's also, so that's the implicit function. It's chain rule. It's also called function of a what? Function. Now, let's take example. I'm going to also teach you bad codes. Now, if we have y is equal to this, first of all, this is what I'm going to do. We have y is equal to 3x plus 1 raised to power what? 7. Is that correct? Let u be equal to 3x plus 1. What will now be y? Y will be equal to what? U raised to power what? 7. Is that correct? Now, the question, I'm going to find this du to dx. So, du all over dx will be equal to what? 3. Now, what is now? I'll now find the y to du. The y all over du is equal to what? 7u raised to power 6. So what's now the y over dx? The y all over dx is equal to du all over dx times the y all over du. So that the u, this du will cancel what? Du. So what is now the y over dx? Now the y all over dx will now be equal to, what's du over dx? Du over dx is 3. That becomes 3 times the y over du. This is times 7u raised to power 6. So the y all over dx will give me 21u raised to power 6. What's u? We said our u is 3x plus 1. So this is practically saying 21 into 3x plus 1 raised to power 6. Very simple. First of all, introduce your u, introduce your y, multiply the u over what? Yes. Let's take another question still on that. We are given that, for example, we have y is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 6 or raised to power 9. Let u be equal to x squared plus 5x minus 6. And what will now be y? Y will now be equal to what? U raised to power 9. So let's find the u over dx. The u over dx will give me 2x plus 5. Let's find the y over du. The y over du will give me 9u raised to power 8. So what's now the y over dx? The y over dx will give me du all over dx times the y all over du. So that if the u cancel the u, you get that. So from here now, what's du over dx? The u over dx is this. That's the y over dx. Now because du over dx is 2x plus 5 times du over dx 9u raised to power 8. So this is practically, I can decide to multiply this 9 to open this bracket, right? 9 times 2x here will give me, that's 18x plus 45 u raised to power 8, which is same as 18x plus 45 into what's u? My u is, this is u now, that's x squared plus 5x minus 6 raised to power 8. Are you seeing that? Very simple. Let's take, you can post it and watch it over and over and over again. Let's take the next question. All of them follow one pattern. We have that. First of all, what will be u? Let u be equal to 3 plus 5x raised to power 4. What will now be y? Y will be equal to u raised to power 10. What is now the y? The u over dx. The u over dx will give me, that will give me, that will, constant is 0, that will give me 20x raised to power 3. What's now the y over du? That will give me 30u raised to power 29. So what's now the y over dx? The y over dx is equal to du all over dx times dy all over du. So what's du over dx? Du over dx is 20x raised to power 3 times the y over du. That's 30 u raised to power 29. 30 times 20. That will give me what? 600 x cubed u raised to power 29, which is same as 600 s cubed into what's u? 3 plus 5x raised to power 4, all raised to power 29. That's everything about that. Quickly, if you still understand now, let's take the fourth question giving y.
Hold on a bit. As far as 100 level is concerned, right, for both first and second semester, your complete series of classes, including your practicals, everything from beginning to the end is in the LearnLift app. All you have to do is just march down to your Play Store or App Store and download the LearnLift app, and then you're going to have access to every singular class. So just move down to tertiary, click on tertiary plan, where you're going to see all your classes as far as your 100 level is concerned. And guess what? Your video lessons are there, your CBT is there, you have access to your past questions, you have access to your notes. Very, very important. Man, this semester, you must do well. Anyway, let's proceed quickly as we march down to our class and continue our class. Enjoy.
From here now, this is simply now saying y is equal to 1 minus 2x cubed raised to power half, because half means what does half mean? Square root. So what will be u now? Let u be equal to 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. So what will now be y now? Y, and write it where y here will be u raised to power half. So let's find du over dx. Du over dx will practically give me, that will give me minus, that's 6x squared. Is that correct? That will become, if you move that, that will become minus 6x squared. Now, what is now dy over du? Dy over du will give me, that will give me half u raised to power minus half. By now, you should know how we got that. Now, or we can practically say that this one is the same thing as saying half u raised to power half, which is the same thing as saying 1 over 2 root u. Is that correct? Yes. So from here now, this now become, what is now dy over dx? Dy over dx is equal to du over dx times dy all over du. Now what's du over dx? Du over dx is equal to du over dx, that's minus 6x squared times dy over du, that's 1 over 2 root u. Now this will give me, this 2 will reduce this now. So that this simply as saying minus 3x squared all over root u, which will give me minus 3x squared all over root, what's u? 1 minus 2x raised to power what?
That's everything about chain rule. But now, guess what? Saemi, I have bad cuts. I have bad cut for you without even solving this. So let's take the bad cut. Now, before I take the bad cut, let me blow my powder. With my powder, you're going to see the bad cut. 1, 2, go. Haha, haha, bad cut, shoot. Are you set? Now, what's my bad cut? Bad cut is very simple. Now, give me the question. See what I'm going to do. Wow. Now, I won't start to do that. Let you be got to this. One step in the exam, I'm done. See what I'll do. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'll carry this power. Right? I'll write it 7 dots. What is inside? Differentiate what is inside. To differentiate 3x plus 1, you're going to get 3x. So I'll multiply it by 3. I'll repeat the bracket. Bracket open. 3x plus 1. I'll subtract 1 from the bracket, from the power. 7 minus 1. That will give me 21 bracket open 3x plus 1 raised to the power 6. I brought the power down. Differentiate what is inside to multiply the power. Repeat the bracket, subtract 1 from the power. Bad code guy. Let's see. We're giving this Follow my bad cuts. Give me answer straight. Bad children. First of all, write 9. Differentiate what is inside. So let me put bracket open. That's differentiate what is inside. That's 2x plus 5. Abi, repeat this full bracket. Bracket open, x squared plus 5x minus 6 raised to power. Subtract 1 from the power, that will be 8. So even if you expand this, that will be, give me what? 18x plus 45 into x squared plus 5x minus 6 raised to power 8. I know this solve. Emigrami know this solve. Now bad things. This exam on a bad code you just dey use. You don't exclude bad code, they submit. This now. Let's go there. Bad code. Can you give me the answer without solving straight? Bring down 30. That will be 30. Times. Differentiate what is inside. This one is 0. This one will give me times. That will give me 20x raised to power 3. I'll differentiate what is inside. Differentiate down. Now repeat the bracket. That will give me 3 plus 5x raised to power 4. Subtract 1 from the power 29. So that will give me 20 times 30. That's 600x cubed into 3 plus x raised to power 4 raised to power 29. We know they solve. Now bad things we they do. Let's see this question now. Now, can you do this for me? First of all, hope you know I will say that this is the same thing as saying 1 minus 2x cubed raised to power half. So, bring down the power. What's the power? The power will give me what? Half. Differentiate what is inside. That will give me times minus 6x squared. Abi? Repeat the bracket. That will give me 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Raised to power. Subtract 1 from this. That will give me minus half. So this will practically give me, this will reduce this one, and that will give me minus 3x squared. Right? Minus half is the same thing as times 1 all over 1 minus 2x raised to power 3, all raised to power half. In this is minus. Now this is same, half means square root, to do the same thing as saying minus 3x squared all over half means square root, now square root of 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Emigrami bad code guy. Let's go there. That's everything about that. I hope you understand the bad code. I'll see you in the next class. We'll be taking our first principle, our lesson 3. First principle. Peace out. Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the LearnLift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.